Dang. It's like, dude, that already looks cool just like that. What is good, y'all? I've been saving this video. Wait, hold on. Oh gosh. What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I've been saving this video for a long time. I hope you guys enjoy it. We actually just coming back right now as I'm filming this from the place we might wrap the 370Z. I don't know yet, but enjoy today's video. My name is Danny. Smash that like button, subscribe. You're missing out if you don't. Peace.
Yeah, because there's like so much space for me, right, Danny? Like, look at this. What am I supposed to do here? What is this?
That's a torque wrench.
Okay. Where's my feet gonna go? Who sits here? Do you have any friends?
I have no friends. Wait, so I've actually been asked this a lot because a lot of people on YouTube are doing it, and that is daily vlogging now until Christmas. I personally have never done it. I feel like as a creator, it would really help me, and it's probably gonna be the hardest thing I've ever done. But if you guys want to see that, let's get this video to 1,000 likes. I've never daily vlogged, but if you guys really want me to do it, 1,000 likes, and I'll be sure to bring the best vlogs I can until Christmas. So let me know if you guys want to see that. Whew, I'm nervous. What's the main reason we're gonna turbo it?
More power and whistle. Just for the whistle.
Just for the whistle. We want the noise. That felt like 6,000 RPMs.
That was 3,500.
Yeah, I saw that. Alright, first things we gotta do is tell them everything about this Jeep before we can continue onto the video. Right, so let's go ahead. If you guys don't know, my name is Danny. That is Christian. A company shipped out a turbo kit, which you're gonna see in a little bit, and I was like, Christian, do you want to install it on your Jeep? He said yeah.
Yes.
And here we are making a video right now, introduction. Christian's 1988 Jeep YJ 4-cylinder. I gotta do that again. 89. All right, pop the hood, show them. I don't know anything about Jeep, so it's gonna be a really nice learning curve for me. So how many miles did it have?
128,000.
128,000 miles. How long have you had it?
A little over a year.
A little over a year. 128,000 miles. It is 4x4, correct?
Yes.
What are some stuff that you've done to it so far?
Fuel tank, fuel pump,
Fuel lines.
fuel lines.
You're gonna see why we're laughing at that later.
Hard top. I got the doors. There, one's still in.
Yeah, he still needs to paint that one, but he got the doors.
Tires, it's still on the stock height.
Wait, this is stock height?
Yeah, well, bigger tires, stock height.
Right, okay, that's why they look a little, okay, cool. I was looking up some videos. People said that obviously since you have a Jeep, it's better to supercharge it so you have low end torque and whatnot whenever you're doing things like off-roading, but we don't care about that. We want it to have a cool whistle, and it's still gonna have a good amount of power. And Christian said that it's gonna be one of the world's first, well, has anybody turboed a 4-cylinder YJ?
Not that I know of.
So nobody has done this. Later in the video, in the unboxing, we kind of talk a little bit about how we're gonna do things. But let's just say that we're planning a lot, but we still don't 100% know if it's gonna work. Tell us what all that wiring. It looks really good.
Thank you. This is my aftermarket lights wiring. This is subwoofer wire. All of these are the stock wires that come with the car. I only added these 3.
Well, what's going on here?
So the original temperature gauge is electronical, but I ran a manual temp gauge, so I had to make the manual. So I ran it out of the side of the thermostat into this port, which is stock. There's actually just like a line that goes here.
Oh, I see. And you use this to just plug it up?
I think this is like air line hose or whatever.
Oh, I see what you mean. Okay.
I hooked this up.
Just plugged it up.
Yeah. Plain and simple.
Noise, pretty simple. Yeah. So we're gonna turbo this car.
Hopefully.
Dude, you guys are. This is weird. Like me and a Jeep. Like I really like Jeeps though. They're really cool. And this is gonna be a fun project. Definitely, we're gonna learn a lot. Christian's gonna learn a lot. The interior's looking. If you guys want to take a look. Bam! This is a cool looking Jeep interior. Good amount of space. Just kidding. Door panels, obviously, as he was saying, still has to paint it and whatnot. He got it primed. That's good. That's a good start. He's gonna try to. Is that what you call it? You flex the suspension?
Yeah, flexing the suspension.
I'm new to this whole Jeep world. If you guys don't know me, my 370Z should be turbo by the time you guys watch this. That's the series that we're doing as I'm filming this. I'm actually filming this and then just kind of stacking it up. What is that? Alright, with that being said, we're gonna flex the Jeep for the vlog. I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna wait over here. And leave a like, subscribe if you want to continue to see this series. He's gonna flex it. Here we go. You gotta go higher? Yeah, he should be good going through there. It's what people with Jeeps do. They just go over random stuff and just go into some random puddles of water. I'm new here. I feel like I'm invading somebody's home. An accent? Oh my gosh.
Go on that side and tell me if it's gonna rub against the fender.
Wait, oh, you're good, you're good. No, you're good. Dude, you. I thought. Dude, your wheel went off.
I'm telling you, the thing is weird.
Be careful though. Are you sure this was supposed to be up? You have to. Okay. You have to go fast. You're gonna like go that way. There you go. Oh my god. Dude, this thing is like...
I'm literally leaving it right there and in gear.
Oh, it's rolling back. Oh, it's rolling back. It's rolling back.
It actually won't even let it stay in gear.
Yeah, because it's like, it's in a pretty sketchy spot.
Check if the front tire is off the air. It's completely off the air.
Oh, that one's like...
Yeah, this is maxed out. It isn't flex, I'm telling you. It's on stock height. Dude, take a picture later.
That's funny.
The only thing holding it in this position are the brakes.
Dude.
If I let go, it'll roll back.
Or... Oh, there's a jack. That's nice. I'm scared being here. I'm not even kidding. What's happening over there? I didn't know I was gonna get that wet. Dude, the whole inside. My camera's dirty. I think I got him on my lip.
Dude, your side got.
Yes.
My side's.
My camera's dirty.
My side's fairly.
Fun. Alright, I'll close it. I'm just nervous to see the turbo. I want to see the size of it. It's a lot of stuff. Oh, I see some piping.
Is that like intake piping?
That's intake piping, yeah. Intercooler piping. Woo! Bunch of clamps. Not bad. This intercooler piping is actually really nice.
Yeah, matte black.
First time unboxing like a cheap turbo kit. I'm going to put the link to the description on this one. Like I said before, it is from Max Speeding Rods. So you can see right there, bam. It is a universal turbo. That's why we're gonna try to put it in this. And we're gonna do it, Christian, are we gonna do it?
We're gonna do it.
All right. Good. Here we got some intercooler pipings. This hoses for like backing lines and whatnot. Dude, more clamps. Oh my gosh. Here we got a frame. How do you feel about the turbo kit? How do you feel about the turbo kit? Now we gotta see if we're even gonna be able to use all that piping. Dude, where's the turbo? I think this is a turbo. Yeah, I think that's it, yeah. Is this 2.5 inch piping?
It looks like it.
Yeah, 2.5 inch piping. Look at this. This looks nice, bro. What? This looks good. Like a satin black.
Yeah. Got the pipes.
Got some couplers. Yeah, noise. Dude, I think I'm gonna take this. Put it in the minivan. What's this box have? Oh! Oh! There goes the... Oh! Fuel pressure.
Fuel pressure? Oh, that'd be fun to have. Yeah.
Right there. It has like liquid in it. Is that normal?
Look at these oil lines.
Got some oil lines. A bracket, I'm guessing for the fuel pressure, the oil lines and whatnot. Yeah, we are gonna have. Oh, or maybe they sell a spacer for your oil pan. So you can just kind of bolt this in there, and so you don't have to drill into it. But we'll see when we get there. Here's some oil lines, some fittings, right there. There's a waste. No, there's a blow-off valve. No, there's a wastegate. That's big.
That's gonna be big.
This kit's looking promising. Looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Dude, you're saving the turbo for last. You're like teasing him.
Yeah, dude.
What's in here? Now this. So there's a blow-off valve. Here we got it for it to go here. Yeah, so this goes right here, like that, and the blow-off valve. So it shows RPMs, water temp.
oil temp, water temp, and oil.
Yo, that's dope.
And you can
tag recall. Oh, I didn't know this came.
Oh no, this is.
That'd be the weirdest thing.
Oh, this is the drag cars to tell you when to shift.
Oh, I see.
That looks so clean.
Yeah, it does.
No, this isn't boost.
No, so we're missing the boost gauge. Oh, oh, that's sick. Dang.
That's really nice.
Dude, that's dope. Do you want to go and mount it and see where it would fit?
I have to dismount the front grill.
Oh, so the fan's right here, right?
No, the fan's right here. This is a tunnel, basically.
See, because I'm pretty sure here it might fit behind the radiator, but can an intercooler go behind the radiator? That's what I don't really know. And the turbo? Here, I'll bring it. Here you go.
My turbo, dude. That would go like there.
Wouldn't it go like more here though?
You can put it there.
Oh, so dope. I want to tell them the plan real quick of what Christian came up with and what we have in mind on doing so far. And do you want to tell them why this engine might be a little harder than the like regular V6?
Well, the V6, the exhaust is on this side, and everything's on that side.
Right.
And with this side, the intake and the exhaust are on the same side.
I was thinking, why don't you flip the headers?
You can, but where would you bring? I mean, I'll be taking that
like
off.
This side of the headers.
There's no headers on this side. Headers on that side. See? There's nothing there.
Oh, I see what you mean.
On the same side.
Right, okay.
Because my thermostat out.
You're right, because you were going to bring the exhaust from that side up to there.
Up through here. And then hood exit.
Hood exit, right.
And then intercooler this way, and then intake. Which
yeah, because the intake is already here.
Yeah, because the intake's there. And then we have to see if this can go behind the radiator.
Right. Yeah, I mean, if the fan stops right here, you have plenty of... Oh, wait, why don't you push the radiator back?
Yeah,
like, extend these brackets to put the radiator maybe here and drop the intercooler right in there. Yeah? We can put it maybe here. Oh, there you can put it.
I can put it right there.
Yeah. That is oil pressure and everything.
That
look pretty OEM.
Because I can see it, too.
Yeah.
See, like... Take this gauge out and fit it in as far as possible.
As far as possible.
And just have it rest on the outside.
Even like that, it looks pretty good.
Yeah, like right there looks decent.
Just like that. Rents heat. Keeps it nice and cool. Makes it look really nice. Okay, so some brainstorming has passed. We decided the turbo might be a little better on this side. I'm gonna go ahead and explain it real quick. So Christian has to go ahead and redo his fuel lines. They're not the most reliable. So the fuel lines right now are on this side, and he's gonna go ahead and twist this up here, and he's gonna run them on that side, and that allows, so you guys can see right there, that U-looking pipe, that's the exhaust. So he can do like a 90 this way with some exhaust piping up here, and then directly right into the turbo. And then the turbo from here, we can obviously get some 90 elbows and whatnot and connect to an intercooler, which on that side will be a lot harder because he would have to like weld a bunch of piping together to be able to get the exhaust from this side to that side and then up, where on this side it can just come up right here and it'll be a lot better. And he's also gonna change the coolant reservoir on that side, as well as washer fluid. He's gonna take this off, so there's plenty of space on this side. Yeah, the air box. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, turbo's gonna be sitting not up here but like more down. It's like, dude, that already looks cool just like that.
Just sitting there.
Just sitting there looks so cool. With that being said, Akita ran away. We're gonna go ahead and end off the video right here. This is like episode 1. Introducing Christian's Jeep. It sounds pretty good. It runs really good, 128,000 miles strong. So if you're new here, smash that like button, subscribe to this channel if you really wanna see the series. because it's gonna be pretty epic. World's first turbocharged YJ. Will it work? Will it not? We got the 4-cylinder we gotta work with, so wish us luck. Let us know how we can do it, and yeah, we're gonna figure it out. There's Christian.